recording. Now the area of the rectangle shown 10a plus 5. One side measurement is unknown. Now look at that. This is this is called area, right? Then you draw a triangle. Then this side 2a plus 1, and this side you don't know. It can be any number, right? I would say now this is A, we call B. We need to find the B. But they have given another data, that is 10a plus 5 area. Then if you draw a rectangle, if it is B, then this is 2a plus 1. You have to write an expression in terms of these numbers. That will be equal to this one. Then you are going to find the B. Okay, you start now. Draw a rectangle and assume this width is B. And you need to write equation for area. Then they're asking what is the value of unknown measurement. Write expression for perimeter of rectangle. Then after that you write a perimeter in terms of A. How do you write the area in terms of B and 2a plus
1?
You know that they have given length and width. If you know the length and width, what is the area? Area of a rectangle. Do you remember? If it is, I would say this is L, this is W. What is the area? Area is this space, not the perimeter. Perimeter is around the rectangle, right?
Yeah.
You can't remember?
No.
Yeah, the area is L times W, right?
Yeah.
It is L and W, L times W. Then you have similar to this one, L is 2a plus 1, W is B, and area is this one. Can you substitute, go and put that numbers into this? Or you can write straight away area of this one, that is length times width. How do you write it? Yeah, I need you to try first. Your exam question like that, they don't give simple factorization, they give the wording question. But you can write this one area, this area.
Sure. Will it be
You tell me.
When you do the area, is it the 10a 5 or is it the 2a plus 1?
Yeah, 10a plus 5, that is area, equal. Same, what is the length here? Length, L. Yeah, it's very simple. This is L, this is L, right? Two a plus 1. That is L. I put the bracket because I'm going to times this number with this B, right? That's it. Now we are going to find the B. Now I expand this one. 10a plus 5 2a times b, what is the answer?
2b. 2ab.
Yeah, that's good. 2ab. 1 times b is b, right?
Yeah.
Then left hand and right hand. Looking at that, we have to match to like terms. Now here 10a become 2ab. That means 2a times b. And here 5, here b. What is the b value?
2.
No, 5. See here, plus 5 equal plus b. Right? Then also here, if b is 5, 2a times 5, 10. This become 10. I put the 5, right? See the answer. 10a plus 5 is same right hand side. Then b equal therefore 5. They're asking first one value of the unknown measurement, that is 5. This is 5. Now can you find the perimeter? Perimeter of a rectangle. Then if it is a LW, length and width, you should know what is the perimeter. What is the perimeter if it is L and W?
L plus W.
That is only one side, L plus W. How about other side? Your perimeter is, you have to add all the length. Then L, here W.
And then L plus W.
Yeah. L, W, or 2L plus 2W. Same thing, like terms, right? Then similarly, you have to use 2a plus 1 and here b is 5. Then what is the perimeter? Can you find?
Yeah.
Because you with the equation, like if it is LW, area is LW. If it is, what is the perimeter? 2L plus 2W. You should remember that. If you forget it, you get a big cardboard box, the poster, write all the equations, you summarize, then write as once a week, you just write it, then you remember it. Then maths will be easy.
Is the perimeter like doing the perimeter, is it the same as doing the area?
Yeah, area is multiple, right? LW.
Hold on.
Yeah, same.
Подожди. Yeah, well, I